Well, here we are once again. Another beautiful Saturday, Houston. April the 5th. Look at them gorgeous tomatoes. They just don't know when to quit. Back at you is Randy Cupcake Farms right here in beautiful Texas City. I'm going to spin that bad boy around because we started with these three girls here. If you guys remember, about 2 weeks ago, they were maybe 1.5 inches tall. Actually, they were as tall as these tomatoes. So, I'm really excited, but we're going to do that in this box here. In fact, the tomatoes I just showed you, we're going to tie those up to the roof of our greenhouse. One more box over here. I got to get the rest of these flats out. These are the last of my onions, and then we'll get those in the dirt as well. And this will be full of tomatoes. I do have some random things still growing, like green beans and beets, because, gosh, I mean, I just constantly eat the greens, so the beets are like the size of a kickball, but those greens are so freaking good. And, of course, our indeterminate tomato that has just gone nuts. I gave up on it. But that's what it looks like inside the greenhouse. And folks, everything is growing beautifully. This week I've already sold some green onions, some cilantro. So I'm really excited how those are growing. Last week I had talked to you guys, I was going to plant those Black Krim and Brandywine heirlooms that were, although we'll sell it to anyone, obviously that restaurant at the Kemah Boardwalk has asked us to do that, to sell them first. But that's okay, because I've got 100 more tomato plants. I got plenty of tomatoes this year. So we're going to do 2 more rows. But we ended up not being able to do that last week. Something happened, I forgot. 7 rows of corn, still looking good. They're getting awfully tall. Oh, they're so beautiful. And my gorgeous wife has her own little flower bed. Oh, I just love it. Sunflowers are growing for her. I've got marigolds wrapped around. She loves her elephant ears, and I love her for it, because those elephant ears last season, I mean, they are huge. I could have cradled her in it. And, of course, my wife, you guys seen her on the video a time or two. She's just over 5 foot, 100 pounds. I mean, so for her, she's tiny now. It's easy to get her in there. So, but let's go for a walk, folks. Our banana trees, they're okay. They give us some plantains at the end of the year, especially the ones up closest to that flower bed where the fertilizer is more prominent. And my wife, once again, she loves those plantains. My. Here we are looking at our radish. And here in just a little bit, you can see I've already smoothed off to the left and right. We're going to plant head lettuce. My gorgeous wife's going to come on out and hold the camera. And I'm going to plant those with our brand new seed spreader, which I am so excited about. I swear I'm going to direct seed everything now. Forget all of this one seed at a time ridiculousness. Radishes are looking good on both sides. And, of course, I got my yellow squash in the middle. It's looking beautiful. Onions, of course. Cucumbers are really getting prominent, starting to run up the trellis, which I'm super excited about. Man, these head lettuces that are still left are being somewhat of a mean, if you will, because there's about 10 of them now that are just over the size of a softball, the head inside of it. And oh, I'm so desperate to get these down at that restaurant. I mean, look at that. Oh, that is sweet, crunchy, crispy deliciousness. Oh, baby. Gotta love that deliciousness. They sure do look good. And I realize for all of us farmers in Houston, trying to grow things like lettuces or carrots or even beets this time of year, cilantro the same, it's difficult because we end up with a lot of 100-degree days, a lot of 100% humidity, no clouds, just pure sun. I mean, it is insane, but that's why I put my hoops out already over the lettuce heads. Got half my drop cloth. I put the other half, drop cloth. Good Lord, what am I, a painter? My shade cloth. Unfortunately, I was only able to find 25-footers, so this one here, luckily, is just about 60 foot of actual lettuce. So 2 of them would be fine. I have a little space. It's okay. This afternoon, we're going to do those lettuces, and you'll see me put some hoops up over there and some shade cloth as well, even though today has been a little sprinkly, nice and warm, but no sunshine. Folks, last week you saw the dill coming up. Man, it is looking insanely great. I can't wait to pickle some cucumbers, pickle some beets. Oh, baby. Speaking of beets, look at those delicious babies. I love to eat a beet, especially the greens. Those are my favorite. Onions are really coming along. More of those, I always forget the name of them. There I go again. Those purple flowered things. My wife loves them. Lavenders, yeah. All these carrots. I ran my finger down beside this one the other day, and it's about 3 inches long, but unfortunately it's only about as thick as my pinky. So we've got probably another 3 weeks. But these carrots are looking beautiful, and I'm gonna see how that seeder works. I might end up just direct seeding carrots instead of growing or popping them in a tray in the greenhouse. Of course, right now it's too hot outside for the greenhouse, so I'm using the grow lights inside. I may change that around and do it. Cilantro, a couple of these I'm gonna have to trim back because they're gonna start flowering here in a minute. Maybe I can make some tacos for dinner. Some guacamole. I love eating fresh food, and if anything I can encourage you guys to do is to grow your own food. I'm telling you, grow it. The food at our grocery stores are force-fed. They're chemically treated. They're covered in wax, spit, and snot, and everything else that the field workers are on their hands. I mean, they're scratching their armpits, and all of that is on our tomatoes and our cucumbers. Where's the flavor? Where's the nutrition? Grow at home as organic as possible. Forget the pesticides. Use simple procedures like good manure-based compost. Use some wood chips in the middle, which has become my favorite, to help keep the weeds out. And if you do that right, as you can hear a lot of the guys talk about in their videos, you'll go the first season and maybe even part of the second season and never pull a weed. I've had a few weeds pop up, but nothing like used to in the big garden over there when we would till every year. Of course, I used to till that 3 times a year because here in Houston, there's no reason to be without a garden. The only reason we didn't have one this last winter is because Hurricane Beryl came in, knocked my gate down. All the cows came out of the pasture and they had themselves a buffet. I didn't have anything left but dirt. Maybe a potato. Well, that's my update. It is March, no it isn't, it's April the 5th. This is actually a special night. My beautiful bride and I are gonna go to Houston tonight to watch Big Daddy Weave play live. But more importantly, his opening act is Ben Fuller, who I am a humongous fan about. Ben Fuller. That man is an evangelist in song. I'm telling you, Ben Fuller, check him out. But thanks for following along, guys, and we'll keep you updated. And I'm going to load this one up, and later today, my beautiful bride and I will come on out, and she'll video me doing some lettuce planting, direct seed. You guys enjoy your day. Farm, not pharma. Give me a call. Shout, anything you need.